Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can populate your scene with characters. So the first part, I'll show you how you can use existing characters and just quickly pull them into your scenes. And the second part, I'll show you how you can quickly make copies of existing character type templates that you've got set up in your world. So starting with pulling in existing characters to your scenes, it's pretty quick and easy. All you do is you select the spot on the map that you want them to go, and then you go up top and you open up your create summon character screen like I've got it here. Then click on summon character. And as you can see at the very top of the list, this is going to show all of the characters you've got in your campaign world. The players are listed first. And then we've got these things called groups, and I'll talk about those later on. But basically just know that any character in your world can be assigned to one or more groups. And then down below, you've got everything else. So say, for example, I want to pull in some of the adventurers group, Gels Heroes, and let's go ahead and select a couple of those. And then I'll click Summon. And there you go. So you can see it brought in both of the characters I selected, and it put the first one right where the marker was, and then the others go 5 feet away from the marker so they don't stand on top of each other. So that's how you can quickly pull in existing characters from your game world into the scene that you're working on. So now let's talk about how you can do basically the same sort of thing, but in this case, we're going to be making copies of existing characters that are out there. So I'll go ahead and move my marker just a little bit. And now I'll choose the Create New Characters option. And when I get to this screen, I've got 3 different options. I can do it based on a template. We do not have this completely hooked up yet, but one of the things that we've done is we've downloaded the entire AD&D monster table, which is about 300 or so monsters. So you'll be able to select from that in your campaigns. And then what I've done here is I've got those groups that I mentioned just a second ago. You can select to choose a random character from those groups. And if you've got a character marked as quick copy, then you can also make copies of those characters as well. So let me go back to my random characters from group. And in this case, what I want to do, I've got some adventurers there, so now I just want to throw some regular villagers in there. So I've created myself a few different groups. I've got all villagers, female villagers, and male villagers. And in this case, I'm just going to take all villagers. And as you can see down below, it's got ready to add from the group all villagers, and we're adding 1. And just for fun, let's go ahead and mark that up to 5. And then just for kicks, I'm going to go ahead and also choose female villagers as a second group, and I'll add that. Okay, so now you can see I've got a total of 8 characters I'll be adding to the scene, or I should say 8 characters I'll be creating on the scene. Click Next. And you can see by default, it gives just a number for each one. You can also click Generate Names, and SceneGrinder will generate names for you. And you've got some options as to the style of names that you want to get. And put it back to, let's go with Egyptian. Okay, now when you do this, you can automatically have all of these characters you're creating go into either an existing group or a new group. I'm just going to leave them blank for now. And you can also set them to invisible. So if these are characters or monsters or bad NPCs you want to spring on the party, this is how you can quickly bring them into the scene without the players being able to see them. And then all you do at this point is just click Add to Scene. All right, and there you go. I have now added 8 NPCs on the scene. And from here, you could then select each of these and move them to where you want them to be. So anyway, it's just a quick video to show you how you can add existing characters to your scenes and also how you can quickly create new characters. Thanks, everybody. Happy gaming. Bye.